Hey you guys, it's your girl Janae Monet and I hope you're having a great day. So today I'm gonna just do a quick video of what I got from CVS. I decided to start using my press-ons and glue-ons again. So I went to CVS and I bought these. These are super cute and I only paid like $4.99 for these. And then I bought these. Also got these as well, the short version. And the reason why I got them blank is, one, if I don't want color, then I don't have to. But if I do want color, I can add yellow, and yellow is my favorite. And then of course I bought a clear coat. Love this. I had these before and it was so gorgeous. I got so many compliments on them. People really thought I went to go get my nails done. Honey, no. I am on a budget, so I will buy my own, okay? So thumbnail, okay? Thumbnail, wait. Also, my plan is to order some jewels so I can have jewels on my plain nails. So that's my goal, is to go on Amazon and order some jewels to put on my nails. I truly appreciate you guys for tuning in. I know this video is not long, but I just wanted to let you guys know what I got from CVS, because I just want you guys to know I don't always get my nails done. I go to CVS or Walmart or Myers and get press-ons, glue-ons, because honestly I don't have time to just be sitting in that chair just getting my nails done. And I just don't, sometimes I don't have the patience, and I know right now I don't have patience to sit in that chair for a long time just to get my nails done, and it only take me 10 minutes to do this. So I love you guys. Stay confident and believe in yourself, okay? Believe in yourself, and you deserve to be happy, okay? And I love you and I appreciate you, and be great. God bless. I love you guys. Bye.